Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use the at mentions in Notions. We're going to link pages with it, tag people, and insert dates inside your workspace. I'm going to demonstrate this using this particular workspace here. I'm currently on my home page, and let's say I want to reference this meeting notes template that lives inside my notes section. Instead of manually navigating to it, I can type the @ symbol. As soon as I type it, Notion opens up a menu. Now I'm going to start typing in meeting notes. You can see here that meeting notes template appears on the list. I'm going to head and click that. And now this page is linked directly inside of my home. If I click this link, it opens up the meeting notes template instantly. So instead of explaining where something lives, I can simply just reference it. This makes your workspace more connected and easier to navigate. Okay, for this next example, I'm going to go into my notes section, find meeting notes example team sync. Now, maybe I want to reference the projects page at the top level of this page. So again, I can type the @ symbol, start typing in projects. I can see that that page is listed here. I select it, and now the project page is linked directly inside these meeting notes. You can also use the @ mentions to insert dates. For example, inside this meeting note, I'm going to type that @ symbol again. This time I'm going to type next Monday. Once the option comes up, I go ahead and click it, and you'll see that the text is a little different color. And when I hover over it, it's gone ahead and updated it to the next date from the date I'm at today. This is helpful for recording follow-up actions or deadlines. If your workspace includes other members, you'll also see the option to tag a person using the @ symbol. You can select their name to mention them directly inside of a page. This is useful when you're collaborating or assigning responsibility. If you're working alone, this option actually might not appear. So one important detail is the @ mentions are dynamic. So if I rename the projects page, the mention here will automatically update. You don't have to relink anything. Use the @ mentions whenever you want to. You can reference another page like book notes template. You can connect top level sections like task or content. You can add a date inside your notes or reference another person. It's a simple way to create structure without building a database. And that's how to use the @ mentions in Notion. Thanks for watching.